Here, I recommend people use this open records request for Freedom of Information Act requests in New York City. And you can see, let's just show an example here. It's open records. You can just search Google. It'll be nyc.gov, and you can search for similar records. We put in, let's look for street permit. So we search for the word permit in the title and the summary, open and closed. Focus on the mayor's office. So you have to click here. Why are there so many missing groups here in this list? There's no permit office, but this is not high priority, you can tell. The public and the taxpayer are not high priority. So we pick the mayor's office. So we go back and we search. Let's get as many results as we can. And we search. This is just a beautiful thing. Let's look back and look at some very specific requests. Hotel requests, permit, complaint records. I guess this is street religious event permits and movie request permits and street permits for West 49th Street. What we've already seen is any recent requests are simply delayed forever. So let's go back in time. Let's look at this one just to show. This website is really bad because look at how slow it is. This thing, it literally takes a minute just to get responses, and the responses will be delayed due to the volume delayed. Well, why don't we make this automatic? Any request should go into the public database, and we should see it. And we should also see the responses in real time. We shouldn't have to ask for information that is public. This is public information, asking for street permits and closing down streets and using the taxpayer. So this is just an acknowledgement. And then what you'll see is there'll be lots and lots of requests. So there's 43 requests. So someone actually does know how to do this, meaning you have to ask. Oh, parking placards, that's another big one. I don't know, that has the word permit in it. Let's look at some old one to see if it ever got answered. Street parade permit, street activity permit. Let's see, we're going back to 2018. We want street activity permit. So 2018, let's just pick this one just to see. Festival, I wonder why people are asking for permits. June 1st. Why are they asking for that particular? Look at this. On 8th Street between 6th and 7th Avenue. That's very particular. Closed. Let's see if there was ever an answer to this. Why would you ask for the permit? Really what we want is all the information, all the police payments. If private corporations or nonprofit corporations are getting usage of the streets for free and charging people, then that doesn't seem right. Look at this. Your request under the blah blah closed due to the extension. So they delayed it, and then let's see, has been fulfilled, has been emailed to you. So we don't even get to see the answer? That's pretty bad. Where's the answer? So this Freedom of Information Act doesn't make the request public to the public. It only makes it to the person? Yep, good question. I don't know why it's only 3 precincts. So this is really bad. So I thought this open data was about open data, but it doesn't even make it public. But it does look like this actually did get to that particular person. Yep, so we're going to say peace out, and it'd be good if these open records had the person sending the request so that people could talk to each other. This is like a black box. We're looking at a black box. We don't even get information. All we see is cryptic messages, and the taxpayer pays for all this. Unbelievable. Peace out.